up, guys? So welcome back to another video. I'm sorry if I look crazy, but your girl just got off of work. No, I don't go to work with my boobs out. I just changed my shirt because I had all kind of shit on my shirt. But anyways, y'all, we got a package from Amazon, and guess what? Guess what your girl finally freaking ordered. Like, I'm so excited. I was like, should I do an unboxing with y'all or nah? Why not? Why not? So, all right. So I love ordering stuff from Amazon. Like, I really and truly do. So I ordered 3 things from Amazon. We're gonna first start off with some elastic wrap. So this is actually like so I can lay my wigs down better, and I can start putting these on and start wearing my wigs glueless. I really want to get into glueless wigs because I'm tired of the freaking glue taking my edges. Like, I really am. So that's the first thing I got. This was like $6 for this roll, and it's a 6 yards. 6 yards, 1 inch is the width, and it's 6 yards long. So this is the first thing that I got. The second thing that I got was this truth or drink game. You guys will see this in the next video because I am doing a truth or drink video with my best friends. All my best friends is going to be here, so I'm excited for that video. I never did a truth or drink video ever on this channel, so that's gonna be something new. So I'm really excited about this. This game was, I think, $30. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was $30. So this is how it comes. It comes with 4 categories. We have last call, happy hour, twist. Wait, with a twist. It was upside down. Extra dry, extra dirty, and on the rock. So I'm gonna just pull out extra dirty right quick. Give y'all like 3 of them right quick to let y'all see what this game talking about. See if it's worth buying, or y'all can just come up with y'all own questions. But my friends, they don't be thinking of good stuff on top of their head. I'm gonna keep it honest with y'all. So that's why I got the game. So that's what we're gonna see. So okay, so this one say, where's the strangest place you ever had sex? And I wonder if they're gonna answer that. What's the sex skill you're most proud of? Describe your sex life with a movie title and tell us your reason. Have you ever done butt stuff? If not, would you like to? Okay, these are some good questions. Truth or drink? Truth or motherfucking drink? So that's what I got. I can't wait to play this game. I really can't wait to play this game. So this game, it's gonna be played actually this Friday, but y'all won't see the video until like y'all won't see the video till after, but I mean it's gonna be in order. So truth or drink, I got that from Amazon. Like I said, I think it was like $30. And finally, what this whole video was about, y'all, I finally ordered my laptop. Like, I used to have a laptop in high school, and I had that laptop for like years until like it just crashed, and then I just never bought another one. Like, I just didn't want to buy another one. So I ordered a HP laptop. I did not order a MacBook because your girl ain't got them kind of coins. At least not right now. Your girl gonna get them coins, but and I know y'all probably like, you can just do a payment plan. I'm the type, I like to buy stuff out, but I don't know. I just feel like a regular laptop right now is fine for me. So that's why I ordered this HP. In the future, I will get a MacBook, just not right now, because if I get a MacBook, guess what? I'm gonna want the latest one, and it's probably gonna be the most expensive one. So yeah, your girl ain't got them coins right now. So this is my laptop. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So it did come with the record. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the HP the Stream laptop. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I haven't had a laptop in about 4 years. I'm gonna keep it G with y'all. I haven't had a laptop in about 4 years. I do everything on my phone. Like, if you have like the latest iPhone, you can really do anything and everything on your phone. But I just felt like it was time for me to get a laptop. I need a knife. Let me go grab a knife. I need a knife. All right, so let me take off this this before I lose it. Definitely need that. So this is a better look of the laptop. Y'all, I'm so excited, bro. Oh my god, I really haven't had a laptop in about 4 years. Like, make it make sense. Each, what you be doing with your life on the phone? But I feel like the phone is like more distracting because they got so many apps, and like you want to jump on Instagram, you want to jump on Facebook, you know, you want to jump on Shein, you want to go see what Fashion Nova sale got. And I feel like with a laptop you might be a little bit more focused. Do that make sense to me? To y'all? Do that make sense to y'all? Because it makes sense to me. Because I feel like if I'm doing some stuff on my laptop, then I get a text. Well, I mean, I don't know. I just feel like a laptop, I would be more focused. And then it's a bigger screen, and I can see better. So y'all. So it came like this and like this. So this is, I guess, the plug. Yes, so we got our plugs here. I think I should tilt the camera down so y'all can see better. So I can stop looking at my boobs. Because I see y'all perverts. Let me see if I can tilt it down. Do it. You don't want to tilt down, y'all. I'm using a tripod. Like a different type of tripod. Let me see if I can reposition y'all right quick. Right there. Yes. Let's see. Oh, y'all just got a better view of the boobs. Y'all really just got a better view of the boobs. But anyways, let me stop being a pervert. So this is how it comes. It's very thin. It's pretty light. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. So this is actually in the color Brilliant Black, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I think I did order the Brilliant Black laptop. I'm not sure. But this is how it looks. Comes with this little cover. Look how pretty. Oh, I wonder if it got some type of charge on it. Probably not. It didn't come on. All right, so we about to plug her up right quick. Oh, it did. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But y'all, I'm about to set this bad boy up, and I just wanted to come on here and show y'all the unboxing of my new laptop. The HP Stream laptop is 14-inch HD display. So yeah, and I think it's a 2022 if I'm not mistaken. I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below. Just another look. It's very thin, y'all. Like it's pretty thin. Like it's like my last laptop was like, I'm telling you, my last laptop was definitely thicker than this. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But I do want to thank you guys for watching this quick little unboxing video with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And let me know if y'all want me to do like a setup video. I don't think it's that like it's no point of doing a like how I set up my laptop, this, that, and the third. So that's why I'm not going through the processes of what I'm about to do, because I think it's really self-explanatory. I just wanted to show y'all my laptop. I'm leaving the price and everything down below, the link straight to Amazon. I bought this laptop for $269, so that was definitely for the low, y'all. So y'all need a laptop and y'all need something cheap but good. Like HP is very dependable. Like I had a HP laptop, and I had that laptop for years, and I think it just crashed on the fact that it was so old. But I do thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Get your girl to 1,000. We still not at 1,000. I'm not understanding why we're not at 1,000 yet. Like, make it make sense. Make it make sense, y'all. Get your girl to 1,000. Right now we're at 837, I believe. 837. So we getting up there. But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, because your girl is about to set up a laptop, because I'm just too freaking excited. I'm really excited, y'all. Like, I must be on my laptop like more than anything now. Like, the grind is real. Oh, the real reason why I did get a laptop, I kid you not, is because like I feel like I can edit my videos like better than, because usually I use iMovie on my phone, and like I can't do certain things on iMovie like everybody else be having in their videos. I feel like I can like, especially like the speed part, it only go to a certain speed, and I feel like that speed, like to make the time, like the time lapse, I feel like it's too slow, and it'd be making my videos longer than what they really is. But I feel like y'all still need to see that, so that's why I be putting it in the videos. I just don't want to cut everything out. But anyways, there I go rambling. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Get your girl to 1,000, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Deuces.